Something need to be cut. What's up, y'all? What's locking? Girl. Have you ever had a impulse moment? Well, today I let my friend trim my hair. It got real, okay? I was supposed to just wash my hair, condition it, blow dry it, and then style it for the week. But no, I said, you know what? I need to trim my hair like now. So I didn't take time to make an appointment. It was too late. I was in the moment. I need to finish this out. And the reason I was like, okay, I need to trim is just because with this colored hair, you can really see like what's going on. It really exposes you quick. But y'all see the new growth. Check me out. You're gonna be like, girl, but why? Well, I've been pulling on the ends of my hair. When I'm like overthinking or I feel like I'm getting overwhelmed or something, I started to pull on the ends of my hair. I don't know, it's just like a stress reliever. That's my like stress ball, I guess. And it left me with some raggedy ends. With this color, I mean, I just cannot play games like that. So I was just, doing my hair, and I was like, you know what? I'm about to trim it. It's just gonna have to go down tonight on site. But then I said, maybe I shouldn't do this on my own. So then I called my friend. I said, I'm about to come to your house. I need your help now. I am using the Silverbird blow dryer, and then I did use my Zani's heat protectant spray on my hair, and we are just blow drying it out. I always try to focus on the roots and making sure that's dry, and then the length of my hair I'll focus on next. Now I will say that when you are not being adamant about moisturizing your hair, when you are avoiding your trims, when you are not also getting your hair treated, so like whether it's a deep conditioner, a steam treatment, whatever it may be, you can start seeing differences and changes in your hair and having color. What a new level. So I think those are just a combination of things that's been happening, especially when I take a little break from going to the salon. My hair be like, okay girl, go back. Why you playing with us? Only because just balancing work, I can just neglect it, and I can't play like that. So just know your girl here is an advocate for getting your hair trimmed by a professional in a salon on a good consistent basis, as in like when you need to do it or come in. And then also too, with them knowing your hair, they know when you need it as well. So I hope you're able to find that. Is this a confessional? I just feel like I'm talking, but y'all my people, okay? My beautiful people crew, what it do. But yeah, so that's what we about to do. Let's go actually cut this. All right, so made it to my friend's house. I'm kind of just telling her how I want her to cut it. We're just gonna go in sections, straight across, and I'm just gonna have her do a little bit, well, whatever she feels like. I think it was like a 1/2 inch. It wasn't a crazy amount, but I just needed her to cut it. I just wanted to attack it as soon as I could. Now I still want to, like I said, go to the professional, but I just needed this just to hold me over. And then, some stylists like for you to look down when they trim your hair, some don't. So as I look back at this video, I said, I ain't look down, but that's all right. We not professionals. This is just real life happening here. What a time. I'm not hitting all the spots, obviously, as you can visually see, but I just wanted to get what I could and make it feel a little bit better. I knew getting color would be a little tricky, but also too, I realized that the way I blow dry at home versus how it looks in the salon, two totally different experiences. And I just feel like when I don't want to go crazy with using high heat, I also see a difference. So it's just, look, two totally different experiences, and we just gotta make it do what it do. Wow, I look like I ain't cutting nothing. I'll be in the salon soon, y'all. Once you see this video, I'm probably have already been in the salon. Look, this is a real life video experience with me. I'm like, look, let me know, ever had an impulse moment with your hair? Has that happened recently or in the past? Or are you considering doing something new to your hair? Also, if your hair is colored, let me know some different ways that you keep it moisturized throughout this whole process. Let me know.